Hey guys! This week we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II. After years of fighting, formal surrender documents were signed on September 2nd, 1945. That's why this week we're making a classic tiki drink, 3 dots and a dash, which 3 dots and a dash are V in Morse Code in honor of Victory over Japan Day. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. I'm Suzanne. You might be thinking to yourself, gentle viewers at home, what are you wearing today, Suzanne? In honor of the end of World War II, tonight I'm wearing a Navy Waves lieutenant uniform. So let's talk about our drink. 3 dots and a dash is a classic tiki cocktail, and it was actually invented during World War II by the godfather of tiki himself, Donn Beach. So let's get started. So this is a shaken drink. So we're going to add everything to our shaker, and we're going to start with 1 dash of Angostura bitters. So in it goes. And then we're going to add a 1/2 ounce of our lime juice, and then a 1/2 ounce of our orange juice, and then a 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. This is from our friends at Frick's Apiaries in Orange County. They are wonderful people who have bees and raise chickens, and you can actually buy queen bees from them if you're interested in beekeeping, so go check them out. And then we're gonna add some things to add some spice. So we're gonna add a 1/4 ounce of Allspice Dram, and a common commercial version of Allspice Dram is St. Elizabeth's, but you can't get that in North Carolina, so we've got a homemade version. And then I'm gonna add a 1/4 ounce of Falernum. Falernum is also it's like Allspice Dram. It's kind of a spiced rum-based liqueur. And you can actually get that in Chapel Hill, but I hadn't been able to find it for a long time, so I made my own. And then we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of a blended dark rum. This is Plantation 5-Star. It's really good and not all that expensive. Okay. And then we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of Rhum Barbancourt 15-year estate, I think it's estate reserve. Yes. And the original recipe from Smuggler's Cove does actually call for using Rhum Agricole from the island of Martinique. Rhum Agricole is a appellation. It's an appellation origin contrôlée, which means that the rum is made from fresh sugarcane juice, unlike most rums that are made from molasses. But you cannot get Rhum Agricole in North Carolina, as far as I can tell, but you can get Rhum Barbancourt, and so we feel like this is a good substitution. We forgot the ice. So we've got everything in our shaker. Now we're gonna add our crushed ice. Okay, woo! So we're gonna add 12 ounces, that's about 1.5 cups of crushed ice to our tin. All right, excellent. Put the shaker on there. We'll shake for about 15 seconds. All right, that should be getting nice and cool. And so we're just gonna open pour our delicious cocktail into a pint glass. Okay, and we're gonna actually top it up with some more ice because we wanna put some really lovely garnishes on it. And the garnishes are gonna work a lot better if we've got ice up to the top, okay? And this is 3 dots and a dash after all, so we need to put our dash in. So for our dash, we're gonna use a pineapple frond, that's the word. So stick that up, that's our dash. And we're gonna put, we'll also add a little dash of pineapple. Nestle that in there, that looks really cute. And then we're gonna add our 3 dots, which are our cherries. This is Jack Rudy bourbon cherries, and they are pricey, but they are worth every penny. Oh, and of course, we've got our fun paper straw, because tiki drinks like this with a lot of crushed ice, they really do need a straw. So just kind of nestle that in there, and voila, friends, there you have it. Our 3 dots and a dash, a historic, classic tiki drink in honor of the end of World War II. It's really good. It's got that rum, it's got the spice from the Falernum and the Allspice Dram, and it's a little bit sweet, but it's balanced, and I think it's really approachable. I think there's some tiki drinks like the zombie that are a little bit of a punch to the face, but this one's just a nice sippin', cool, refreshing, boozy tiki drink. So that's all we have for this week, folks. As always, stay safe and drink responsibly. It's definitely spicy. The Allspice Dram, of course, has allspice, and I think it also has cinnamon and cloves, and then the Falernum has lime zest and ginger and cloves, and so it's spicy, but it's really refreshing. Another great thing about 3 dots and a dash is like you've got a little fruit salad here. So I think, you're getting a serving of fruit with your drink. And so there it's, now it's healthy.